Thank you very much, Sam. It's an honor to be here, and honestly, I can say it's really nice to meet everyone and all my colleagues, all my suppliers, all our clients, and to everyone, have a great night and be happy. I want to say something about Unity Trading. We started 3 years ago with some friends, and we wanted to tackle the whole of Europe, every big company that's here. And to be honest, we've done really good. You can see as well in the deal or no deal, we are the most active buyers at the moment. Everyone is saying the market is dead. We don't feel it. So we are doing B2C, B2B in the Netherlands, and it's going really good. Send us your offers, send us everything, and if it's good, we'll buy it. Thank you very much.